What is up, techies? Fluffy here. We always ask the question, can a smartphone replace a professional camera? Usually the answer is almost but not quite. Today, Vivo might have just deleted the almost. I am holding the Vivo X300 Pro. But as you can see, this isn't just a phone anymore, this is a weaponized photography system. We have the 200MP ZEISS APO telephoto sensor, the Dimensity 9500 chipset, and the full photography kit with a dedicated grip and a literal ZEISS telephoto extender lens that you screw onto the back. Is this the ultimate content creation machine, or is it just overkill? We are going to unbox this beast, slap on the lens, push that 200MP sensor to its limit, and tell you if this is worth your hard-earned 13th month pay. Spoiler alert, we're handing out a gold rating today. Let's dive in. We have a double unboxing today. First, the main event, the Vivo X300 Pro. Inside, typical Vivo premium treatment. Let's put that to the side first. Now let's do the fun part first. The photography kit. This feels like opening camera gear, not phone accessories. First, the PGYTECH imaging grip. It has a leather finish, a dedicated shutter button, a zoom lever, and a control dial. It actually has a battery inside to extend your shooting time. Next, the protection case with the specialized mount ring. And finally, the holy grail, the ZEISS 2.35x telephoto extender. This is real glass, guys. It's heavy. It physically extends your optical zoom range. Plus, we have a neck strap and a filter adapter ring. Now, we have the phone. This massive camera module is basically a dinner plate, and I love it. We have the documentation, the USB-C cable, and yes, the 90W flash charge brick. Vivo knows we need speed. A camera is only as good as the brain processing the image. Under the hood, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 9500. This is a 3nm chip. In our Antutu benchmark, this thing destroys the charts. It's fast, efficient, and handles the heavy image processing of 200MP shots without breaking a sweat. We also have the V3 Plus imaging chip working in tandem to handle the heavy lifting for 4K video and portrait computation. Let's undress the phone first. The X300 Pro features a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. It's quad-curved, sitting comfortably in the hand. But the brightness? 4,500 nits. I tested this at noon and it punched through the glare effortlessly. It's 120Hz, super smooth, and the colors are calibrated by ZEISS for accuracy. But here is the jaw dropper, the battery. Despite being relatively sleek, Vivo packed a 6,510 mAh silicon carbon battery inside. That is massive. In my testing, shooting photos all day, this thing refuses to die. And with 90 watts wired charging and 40 watts wireless charging, you're back to 100% in roughly 35 to 40 minutes. And for durability, we have IP68 and IP69 ratings. That means it's dust tight and can handle high pressure water jets. So if you're doing street photography and a sudden Manila squall hits, your gear is safe. Alright, let's transform this. Case on. Grip slides in and locks via USB-C. Now it feels like a compact mirrorless camera. The ergonomics are game-changing. You can shoot one-handed easily. The shutter button has a half press to focus feature photographers. You know how satisfying that is. The dial lets you adjust EV or aperture on the fly. Let's talk about the output. The main shooter is a 50MP Sony LYT-828 with gimbal stabilization. It's rock solid for video. But the star is the 200MP ZEISS APO telephoto. APO stands for apochromatic. It corrects color fringing. Look at these shots. The zoom capability is ridiculous. At 3.7x optical zoom, the portraits are creamy. The bokeh fall-off is natural, thanks to ZEISS processing. When we use the telephoto extender, we are getting crystal clear shots of buildings kilometers away. The texture, the sharpness, it's not good for a phone, it's just good, period. The ZEISS T coating eliminates ghosting and lens flare, which is huge for night photography. We took this out for some street photography at night. No glare, just mood. And macros? The telemacro capability lets you get insanely close to subjects while keeping a comfortable working distance. Now, let's screw on the ZEISS 2.35x telephoto extender. This looks serious. This attachment optically boosts the telephoto capabilities, giving you sharper details at extreme distances without relying solely on digital crop. Alright, it's time for my take. I am giving the Vivo X300 Pro and its kit a solid gold rating. Here is why. This is innovation that actually works. For daily use, without the kit, it's a premium, long-lasting flagship with a killer screen and battery. The Dimensity 9500 makes it a gaming beast if you want it to be. But when you attach the kit, it becomes a specialized tool. If you are a content creator, a concert goer, or a street photographer who is tired of lugging around a heavy camera bag, this is the solution. The 200MP sensor gives you cropping freedom we've never seen before. The grip makes the shooting experience tactile and fun. Is it cheap? No, it's an investment. But you are buying a phone and a high-end camera in one package. It bridges the gap between mobile and professional photography better than anything else on the market right now. So, are you ready to ditch your DSLR? Or is the camera bump just too big for your pocket? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to check the latest pricing for the X300 Pro and the photography kit, links are in the description. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to techbeatph, and ring that bell so you never miss an upload. This has been Fluffy, reminding you that the best camera is the one you have with you, especially if it has 200 megapixels.